More trains, better connectivity and greater flexibility are coming this December to the Transport for Wales rail network. We're making big changes to improve the way that you travel. Here are our top 3 changes. For all you night owls, there'll be later Friday night trains from Cardiff to Aberdare, Treherbert and Merthyr, all running after midnight. This also includes a connection from Cardiff Bay. So there's plenty of time to enjoy what the city has to offer. Trains between Chester and Wrexham will double in frequency thanks to a new hourly service. This line will now see 2 trains an hour. If you're planning a scenic trip on the Heart of Wales line, there's no better time to do so. We've introduced a new midday train, meaning 5 trains per day between Swansea and Shrewsbury via Llandrindod-Wells. From additional stops to earlier and later services, there are many other changes taking place right across the network from 14th of December. For more information, visit tfw.wales.